I feel like this question is bombarding us with information, and it's our job to keep it straight. It starts by telling us that Miss Robbins received 8,000 votes from independent voters, but then it starts talking about the total number of votes, and apparently 40% of those were independent. But let's pause there for a moment and build a ratio. We're told that independent to total is 40 to 100. What can we infer in that ratio? The remaining 60 out of 100 must be registered. And we're told that of those 60, 10% voted for Miss Robbins. So 10% of 60% of the total, that would be 6% of the total. If the total is n, the number of registered voters who voted for Miss Robbins is 0.06 n, right? 6% of n. Plus, don't forget the 8,000 independent voters that voted for her. It looks like that leads us straight to answer choice E.
If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.